Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to insert SIM card in Xiaomi 11i and 11i Hypercharge smartphones. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, in the Xiaomi 11i and 11i Hypercharge smartphones, so the SIM tray is available in bottom. So this is a SIM tray. So you need to insert this pin 2 in this hole. You need to insert the pin. Now the SIM tray is came out. You need to pull out from the phone. So this is a SIM tray. So this one is a unusual SIM tray available in premium smartphones only. So in this SIM tray, you can insert two SIM cards in the same SIM tray. So I will tell the procedure. So this slot is called SIM 1 and the rear side is called SIM 2. So I will insert my Vodafone SIM into the SIM 1. You need to insert the SIM by this method. The golden part is located at the top. Then you need to turn the SIM tray. Then you need to insert another SIM. Also you can insert SD card in the slot. You need to insert the SIM by this method. The front side and the rear side. And the front side and the rear side. So this part need to face the screen. Now you need to insert the SIM tray 2 into the phone. Waiting for the network. You need to wait some time. Now the signal is came. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you.